Questions from our investigation. Honeybees, bumblebees, leafcutter bees, and mining bees were found at Weaver Lake. Without bees, it would be very hard to plant fruit and nuts, and there will be no honey. Because bees pollinate most of the flower to make the fruit and nuts grow. Background. Importance of bees. Bees help 1/3 of our food because they produce pollen for the flowers to turn into fruit and nuts. So without bees, humans will have less amount of food, and they keep the human population alive and their population alive. Background of the bee. Other pollinators. These are the pollinators that help our food chain. Monarchs, bats, painted lady, honey badgers, honey guides, hummingbirds, cockatoos, white-faced monkey, and moths. Bee field trip. Honeybees are important because we would lose about 40% of our food. A little bit is because farmers are not collecting their bees and they're just spraying pesticides on them. Native bees are starting to be more important because we're losing honeybees and we need a lot of bees for our plants. Native bees. Honeybees aren't really native. Here are some real native bees. Bumblebees, carpenter bees, southern eastern blueberry bees. These native bees will help us cover some honeybees. Our investigation. What kind of bee is this? We think it's a bumblebee because it has a pollen sac and no hair is on its eyes. In our investigation, we trapped bees in our courtyard and found out what species they are. The data is this graph shows us how many bees we found in our Weaver Lake courtyard. We found out that it's a bumblebee. Threats to pollinators. Pesticide because farmers stop collecting bees and spray it on all insects on their plants. Habitat loss. People are making more room for buildings and cutting down the beehives. And predators, which they eat bees. Here's what we can do to help the bees. Inspire friends and family to save bees. Talk to a local farmer. Put signs up. Plant healthy plants and help save the bees. Credits. iMovie Bee Project by Diana and Parinita. Special thanks to Ms. Shetton, Ms. Vasquez, and Ms. Larson Johnson.